What's up, eKids parents and families? It's Pastor Kyle with a big announcement here for you. And that is, we have officially hired a new Associate eKids Pastor here for our Bismarck campus. Would you, and everyone watching, give it up for Pastor Raymond Dingman!
What's up? I'm so excited.
You are?
I am.
I'm excited too. All these kids and families watching are excited too. If you don't know Raymond, you've been here actually longer than I have, technically.
Yeah.
You've been here even before I've gotten here, and you've done so much. What are some of the things that you've done in eKids? You've done so many different things.
We started in the nursery.
On the dream team, right?
On the dream team, yes. I started in the nursery at the baby room and the walkers, and I was in the 2-year room for the longest time, and now I've been in elementary for 7 years, I'd say.
That's awesome. Man, you've done so many things in every single one of those areas. And it's not just Raymond here, but your whole family is actually a big part.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
Your wife, Lisa, is like a huge part of the Evangel youth team. If you don't know Lisa, you definitely should. You should know the whole Dingman family. You guys are awesome. Even both your boys, RJ and Jace, they've helped in different capacities, you know, in elementary even, doing all different types of things. It's so cool to see your whole family invested in the church. But man, I love seeing all the different things that you do in eKids, and you were doing it on the dream team. Now you're gonna start doing it on the staff team. And me and you, we joke all the time too, because a lot of people think you already work here,
Correct.
don't you?
Yeah, well, now I do.
Now you do.
Now I do, but I have not until now.
Now, yeah. So, man, what are you most excited to do in eKids, joining the staff? What are you most excited to see happen in the lives and hearts of kids and families that we get to pastor here together?
I love connecting with the kids who are trying to just figure out who they are.
Yeah.
And being able to do that more and just helping kids reach their full potential. Like, what can they do with the uniqueness that they are?
That's so awesome. And that's what we get to do here at church. We get to help them grow into fully devoted followers to Christ, into their identity. I love it. I love that language. And just so all of you guys know, Pastor Raymond here, I used to call you Mr. Raymond on stage,
yes,
but now I'm gonna start calling you Pastor Raymond. That's pretty crazy. Pastor Raymond, you're starting part-time, right?
Yes.
Because you actually, right now, and for the last 22 years, have served our country doing what?
I'm in the Army National Guard. I'm Sergeant Raymond.
You're Sergeant Raymond?
Sergeant Raymond.
Sergeant Pastor Raymond.
Yes.
How's that sound? Or Pastor Sergeant Raymond. Pastor Sergeant Mr. Raymond. But you've served for 22 years. You're retiring from the military this April, yes, 2025. So you're gonna see Pastor Mr. Sergeant Raymond. Pastor Raymond, he's actually going to be starting full-time this April. Right now, you're starting off in a part-time basis, just for everyone's expectations. You're not gonna be here every single day here with me, but you definitely will be here with all the kids, like on all the Sundays and all the Wednesdays, doing so many awesome things, helping kids be able to, find Jesus and experience him on their level. So I'm really excited.
I'm excited too.
Yeah, and parents, families, kids, I hope you're excited, because Pastor Raymond and we've got some big things in store.
It's gonna be awesome.
For the future of eKids. We'll see you guys later. We'll see you this Sunday, right?
I'll be there.
I'll be there too.
Nice.
We'll see you there, everybody.